Here's the guy. Maybe now he is just going to do what he did a season ago, which is just take over the game in the second half of the year. It's all predicated upon being able to run the football, and so far they haven't done that at all.
They haven't gotten the first down yet, but C.J. Anderson says, let me try to take care of that. 2nd and 3, under 6 to play in the quarter. To the ground again, and finding a big seam.
You don't run that play with Peyton Manning so well.
6'8", about 240.
Whoa. I think a little panic sets in, and he hasn't been quite as good.
From the 34-yard line, there's a nice hole. To the outside. Anderson, can he swing around the corner? He can! And C.J. Anderson is in for the touchdown.
We are seeing the C.J. Anderson that we saw at the end of last year when he had 8 touchdowns in the last 8 games and 767 yards, and there he is again. Great play.
From the 30. Wide open. First down. C.J. Anderson down the sideline. Instead of toss, Anderson, he'll get it, and plenty more. C.J. Anderson is going to go all the way, and the Denver Broncos win the game.
And the Patriots and Vernon Davis with the block, just as he did on the first one, and only appropriate that C.J. Anderson brings home the bacon for Brock Osweiler. Go figure, Al Michaels. We have seen it all.
That's prime cut bacon. Anderson, that gives him 113 yards on the night.